Welcome to this video about upgrading Axis Camera Station 5 to Axis Camera Station Pro on third-party machines. Axis Camera Station 5 will remain supported until September 30th, 2027, after which it will no longer be developed, maintained, or tested. Existing customers can stay up to date with the latest features and functionality by upgrading their software to Axis Camera Station Pro. Axis Camera Station 5 installed on Axis S-Series recorders can be upgraded for free, and all included and registered licenses will be converted to ACS Pro lifetime licenses, which are tied to the recorder hardware. For solutions using third-party servers and virtual machines, a subscription license model has been introduced, which allow ACS 5 licenses installed on non-Axis recording hardware to be converted to 5-year ACS Pro subscription licenses via the purchase of an upgrade license. This video will show the process for an online system. We have an ACS 5 system that we want to upgrade to Axis Camera Station Pro. Our system is licensed with 10 core and 10 universal licenses. The first thing we need to do is to upgrade the ACS software. Download the software update file from axis.com and run it. Here we can enjoy the process in 30 times its normal speed. In real life, we would probably grab a cup of coffee while waiting. Note that all clients in our system also need to be updated. When we start Axis Camera Station Pro for the first time, we get a notification that we need to license our system. License Now takes us directly into the Licenses Management section in the ACS configurations. If we choose to license later, we can navigate here by ourselves. The status of our server is displayed here, and in our case, we have entered the 90 days trial period, as you can see. To start the licensing process, press the Register button. This brings up a My Systems connection. First, we need to log in with our My Axis account. In this case, I am already logged in, so we are taken directly to the next step. Now we have to onboard our server to an organization. We can either use an existing organization, if we have created one previously, or select to create a new one. Since I already have created a great organization, let's use that. When our system is registered, we move on to the second step, which is Manage Licenses. Click the button to go to Axis License Manager. The first time we open the License Manager, we will be asked to sign up for product license notifications. This is the only way we will get notifications about critical issues about our product licenses, so signing up is a good idea. In the Product Wallet tab, we can find our licenses. As you can see, our old ACS 5 licenses have been transferred to License Manager. But, as the Pending Action banner says, we need to upgrade these licenses to be able to allocate them. To do that, we enter the license key for the upgrade license we have acquired and press Redeem. Our upgrade license is now added to the wallet. To do the actual upgrade, we click Use License and enter the numbers of ACS 5 licenses we want to convert. Note that we don't have to use all of our upgrade licenses at once. When the licenses are upgraded, we get a message that we need to start a subscription before the trial period ends, and we are then taken to the product overview page. If we want to check what happened to our licenses, they can be found in the Product Wallet. Here we can see that we now have 10 ACS Pro Core licenses and 5 ACS Pro Universal licenses. We still have 5 unused upgrade licenses and 5 ACS 5 Universal licenses that haven't been converted. There is a pop-up telling us that these licenses need to be upgraded before they can be used with ACS Pro. Back to the product overview where we start our subscription. After clicking through the wizard, we get a confirmation that our subscription has started and the status of the system changes from trial to grace. The grace period gives us 30 days to buy and redeem a license key and to allocate the licenses. Since we already have our upgraded licenses in the wallet, we don't have to buy anymore, but do need to allocate them to get licensed. This is done under the Product Licensing tab. We don't have any devices connected to our system, yet we can choose to pre-license our system based on our total number of licenses expected to be allocated during the current subscription period. Enter the current need and then allocate licenses. Note how the number of available licenses in the wallet changes. When we have allocated enough licenses, all periods in the subscription license allocation overview turns green, and now we only have to confirm our allocation. Back in the product overview, we can see that we have left the gray status and are now fully licensed. The same information can also be found under Licenses Management in ACS Pro configurations. Everything is green. Thank you for watching.